Hey butterflies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for coming to check out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you already been here before, welcome back, family. How are you butterflies doing today? So as I said in the previous video, I was going to transplant my tomato plant. So this is what I'm doing right now. And I'm adding some dirt to the top of it. And I transplanted it into a new pot because it was getting so big. The other pot was just entirely too small. So I'm trying not to get dirt on the leaves because I don't want to cause any type of fungus or anything or whatever might happen. So, other than that, I'm going to take 2 stakes and put them on each side because the plant is leaning and I want it to stand straight up. Eventually, I'll probably move it into like a Home Depot bucket or something, a little bit more bigger, just so it could be a lot more stable and it can hold up on its own. Yep, so that's what I'm doing. And you see how I'm pulling it back so it could stand up, but I'm gonna have to put the stakes in there. I don't know what's going on with my speakers, because whether I'm using my headphones or just using my plain phone, everything just sounds so muffled. I don't know exactly what's going on. But at this point right here, I'm putting the stakes in so the plant can have some type of support. But yeah, my last 3 videos, like I had the voiceover one. One of them I didn't even do a voiceover, and the voiceover that I did do still came out muffled. So hopefully this one is sounding a lot more better than the one before, because that was sounding just terrible. So I'm just going to fast forward through a little bit because this is just me really being tedious, and I'm going to show you guys the garden, so stay tuned for that. A sweat shower. But yes, I'm so proud of myself. I'm growing my own food, y'all. Soon I'm gonna be my own produce market. It's gonna be beautiful. Can't wait. And my shit gonna be sweet. I want to plant these melons. I don't know when I'm gonna plant these melons. I got a pot in the backyard. So on my next video, okay, you see these clothes, y'all gonna see these clothes for about 4 or 5 Saturdays. Because this hour video is gonna probably be broken up into different parts. You know, I pre-do my videos for y'all. That way I stay consistent and they always go on time. Yeah, so I'm proud of myself. I guess I'll try to see how I'm going to put this cabinet out here. And lock it down, girl, because there's a hella fucking smokers and shit around here. They steal your shit quick, fast, in a hurry. You just got your back turned, playing the plane. You turn back around, all your shit be gone. You gotta lock everything down. Lock it down. Yes, I got this pot over here. I probably, maybe I could do some melons in that pot. What y'all think? And then put a little tomato, cage on there. So the cantaloupes will grow up. You know, up to the sun, to the sky. Yep, so y'all, look at they doing pretty good too. They doing pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, I gotta hide my address. I don't know if y'all saw my address. Y'all saw my address? Y'all saw my address. I'm gonna hide that. Y'all ain't gonna know where I live at. No sirree, bye. Nobody doing no stop bys over here. Over here. Yeah, so I'm about to cut this video, y'all. I thank y'all for tuning in for this episode of Gardening with Kate. And on the next one, I'll let you see me do the cantaloupe and replant this other cabbage. I'll also keep y'all updated. I'm trying to learn how to use those little video clips so I can send y'all little video 60-second clips during the week about how everything is going, you know? Because I know y'all be wanting to know. Because I hate when I go watch a video and I watch the whole episode till it get about 6 to 8 weeks in, and then you just don't know what happened to the food. Like, they done started on something else. Like, what happened to the food that I just sat here and watched all this time, and now you want something else? Like, my sweating so bad, I think something crawling on me. Good Lord. Oh, shower time. You hear the beauty of the birds? Listen to them. It's the beauty of quietness, baby. Hear the beautiful birds singing. The only really issue I have with this garden is these freaking flies, child. It's getting on my nerves. But I'm gonna try this water in a Ziploc bag with pennies and see if that works. I'm gonna have to put it somewhere where the sun be reflecting a lot. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna be back next time. You guys stay good. Subscribe, like, comment, thumbs up, or you can thumbs down. It really don't matter. Just do something. Let me know you looking, you watching, you saw it. Until next time, butterflies, have a peaceful day, be prosperous, and love yourself.